everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. We're going to be getting into this box, preferably by opening it instead of having Willie chew right through it, but my Wantable is here. I do have a room full of furry sidekicks that like to be involved. Loki's the white pupper, Willie is the Jack Russell, and we have Dexter the Beagle. I'm Laura. Please stick around for that long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. Okay, so it's a Wantable day. This one should be my regular monthly style box. So let's dig right in. If you're not familiar with Wantable, it is a styling service. You can get a box as frequently or infrequently as you like. They have 3 different types of edits. They have the style edit, which is your everyday, vacation, workwear. Don't eat the box. They have the active edit, which is athleisure, workout wear. And they have the sleep and body, which is jammies, intimates like undies, bras, and sleep leisure. So this one is my style edit. This pamphlet's right inside. It's going to give me pricing sheet as well as ideas of how to wear the items. Quit eating the box. Quit eating. That's what you're getting for Christmas, is just a box. You'll be so happy. All right, my stylist is Ravine. She's new. I haven't had her before. And let's see what's in this box while Willie tries to eat it right while we're doing it. Okay. I love that, and I've showed you guys before, right inside on the flaps it tells you what to do. You do have a personalized sticker, which I always love. It says Styled for Laura. Right on top I have a Dreamers by Debut sweater. Cute little v-neck, nice basic. Next up is something from 78 and Sunny. This is the I don't know. You guys tell me, what does that say? I'm going to have to look it up. That's pretty though. What is that? Biarritz? Biarritz, 78 and Sunny. Something of the Basque? I don't know. It's cute though. So very, very soft. I have put in there like no 78 and Sunny, so I'm always surprised when I get some, and I think I have several pieces in here from 78 and Sunny. Yeah, including this one. This is the Upstate Hooded Shacket. In this gray. There's the hood. Okay. We have another sweater by 78 and Sunny. The Coastal V-neck balloon sleeve sweater. It's not bad. You can go out on their stream and request or decline items, and I try to do that a lot. Obviously, I can't catch everything, but I do try to put a thumbs up or a thumbs down. If you request it, it goes on your wish list, and when your style or size becomes available, they should put it in your next box. You do get a bag to return anything you don't love and don't want to keep. So this is by Lucy Paris. I did actually like this one. It is called the Louisa blazer. I kind of enjoyed the sequencing on this one in a little like, floral pattern. Is that not pretty? Yeah, I thought that one was fun. Okay. Then we have something from Herizon. It's another brand I usually say I don't want. So, of course, I have a new Stylist. This one is the long sleeve camo Raglan top. Okay. Then we have something else from 78 and Sunny. This isn't bad. This is the Unwind striped Coatiganm. Colors in this are really pretty. It's like a sweater Coatiganm, right? The colors are nice. It's longer. Okay. We're at the bottom. Last 2 pair. You can get now up to, I believe it's 9 items if you keep 5 or more. No, forget that. You get, yeah, I have 9 items, but you can choose. It used to be 7. I get 9. And the discount code goes, if you keep 3 items, you'll get $30 towards your next edit. If you keep 6 items, $75. If you keep all 9, $120 towards your next order. Okay, so this is something from Thread and Supply. Little pull-on denim, elastic waist, drawstring. Looks like a wider leg, maybe. Yeah. They have the side pockets, like a trouser. Okay. And the last item is by Mica. And this is the super high wide leg. They have fun pockets in the front. Okay. That's all my pieces. Let's see if I requested any of them. One, just the blazer that I already told you about. Okay, let's get to this try on and let's see what works. All right, first outfit. I have on the trouser, pants, and the camo top. The trouser pants are quite cute. We're going to try them on next with like a heel and the tan sweater, but I wanted you to see how long they were. They're not too bad. I'm 5'5" for reference. I have lots of room in them. We'll see what size this is. The pockets aren't sticking out. They're uber comfy, so I'm kind of enjoying them. The top, not so much. It doesn't have any stretch or give. It's kind of sticks to your arms, you know what I mean, when you're trying to like move it or even pull it on. So it's very uncomfortable for me. The neckline is good. It's not touching my throat, but this one is not for me for sure. So for the pants, it's called the Rylee Knit Denim Pant. I'm wearing a small by Thread and Supply, 105. And the long sleeve camo Raglan top in heather blue camo. It's an extra small I have on by Herizon, $79. Next up is the sweater. And this has like the balloon bottom. So, hey, what you doing there, Dex? Dex wants to get involved. So if you can see here at the bottoms, like it kind of here just automatically curls under. Do you see that? So you don't have to do a front tuck. I did do one, but you wouldn't have to. It automatically kind of does that balloon bottom. Has a V-neck. It has the stitching here on the side. I just have a black bralette underneath here. So it is kind of open here. It has the banded wrists. It's not bad. I don't think I would keep this one either, though, to be honest. This is called the Textured Pullover and Taupe. I'm wearing an extra small by Brooklyn Isles, $69. Next up, the Mica Denim and the 78 and Sunny sweatshirt. I do have to say, this sweatshirt is very soft and it does have stretch and it's all nice and fuzzy in the inside. So it's a really cute sweatshirt. I like it that it's, you know, a graphic. It's also thinner, so you could layer it and wear it underneath jackets or cardigans, which we're going to do. So I'm enjoying that. The front of these pants are fun. They are high waist. This is my belly button right here. They have these fun pockets. The length is good. And then I'm going to put the cardigan over top of this because I'm liking the color play. So this one is also by 78 and Sunny. It is very soft. Does have the collar here. Looks nice with the graphic. Comes down to, what, mid-thigh. Very soft. The colors go well together. So it's like the eyelash sweater. What do you think, Bloke? Yeah, I think this one's pretty. I like the outfit. It's cute. You like it, huh? You like it, Will? So the Unwind striped Coatiganm in multi, I'm wearing an extra small by 78 and Sunny, 109. The Biarritz? Okay, that's the last time I'm going to say it. Graphic sweatshirt in camo. I'm wearing an extra small by 78 and Sunny, $69. The super high rise wide leg jean with double button in light wash, I'm wearing a 25 by Mica Denim, $89. Let me know what you think of these. Next up, okay, so I have on the same denim, so we'll wear that for these last couple outfits. I put on the little V-neck sweater and then this topper, this casual topper in the sweatshirt material. Comes up on the sides, does have the hood. This would be cute layered, so if you put something on top of it, like a jean jacket or a bomber or a moto or something, I think this would be cute. It does button closed. There's plenty of room. I don't know that I would pick it. You know, it's all soft on the inside. It's a comfy, cozy. It feels like a dog walking type of jacket, which isn't bad. I don't mind that. I just am not sure that I need it. And then let me show you this sweater. So it does have the banded bottom, so it could kind of ride up. You could also just do a little front tuck to kind of hold it in place. Then it doesn't really move as much. It is a nice black sweater, thinner weight, so you could wear things over top of it. V-neck, which is my favorite. So this is kind of cute. I will say with these jeans, there's like a gather right here. It must be all the seams or something. I'm not enjoying. I don't know if you guys can see that little lump there. And then I'm going to put on the final jacket, which is the Lucy Paris one that I had requested with all of this fun sequin. And this is super pretty. I do like this. It has the little vent in the back. Right? Yeah, vent in the back. This one does not fit me, I can tell you. Like through the arms are very tight, and through the back is tight. But it's very pretty. So I don't know if I could size up and try that, if it would work. Might have to wear just a tank top instead of long sleeves underneath it. But it is really pretty. I'm enjoying all this sparkle, right? I think everyone needs a little sparkle in their life. Yeah, I like this. Okay, so for these pieces, the basic V-neck long sleeve pullover in black by Dreamers. I'm wearing an extra small, $59. For the Louisa blazer in gray by Lucy Paris, I'm wearing an extra small, $148. And for the updated hooded jacket in heather gray, that was an extra small I had on, $89. The total for everything, $816. I had $30 from the last time I kept 3, and plus my styling fee would be $20. Takes it down to $766 for all the items. I'm not going to keep all the items, but this was an interesting collection. I just have to reinforce some of my likes, dislikes, but here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking no to the jeans, maybe to the sweater. I actually think I'd like to try to size up in this. It's a nice fitted blazer. I'm a little concerned with the sleeves being so tight, but we shall see. And then I don't think I need the gray jacket. I do actually really like this little sweatshirt. I love it as a long sleeve graphic to wear underneath things like the sweater, but I don't know if I'll keep this sweater. I have other things I think I would wear it with, but this wasn't bad. It's very soft, very comfy. I don't think I'm going to keep these jeans just because I don't need them. I didn't really like this sweater. I thought it was a little too flimsy, and I definitely didn't like this. So I'm down to 3 possibles, I think, between this sweater, this jacket, and the sweatshirt. I think that's where I'm landing here. I know I was kind of close there. So, but I do really like this blazer. I'm hoping the size small will fit. Thanks for hanging out with me today. As always, I will list these items down below in case you would like to check any of them out or request any of them from your stylist. I'll put all the information for Wantable down below. If you use my link, you'll get money towards your first box. Please let me know your favorites. Hit like, subscribe, and swipe to hype, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.